on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. As you can see, I got another part for the car. Yes, sir. This part is from 1320 Junkie Performance. Let's see what we got in this box. I'm hoping it is what I think it is. Been waiting on these for a while right now. So let's see. Let's see. Strong tape on this box. Oh, yes. Look what we got here. I'm gonna lay these out right here. Look at what we got here. All right, let me get this box out the way. Put this to the side. All right, so what we have here are the MFP Phenolic Spacers. Bam! MFP Phenolic Spacer. MFP is located in Australia, and these phenolic spacers is supposed to help with heat transfer and also help with, obviously keeping the temperatures down. But basically, these two spacers goes between the manifold and the heads, which that should help heat transfer between those two items. And this spacer, obviously, as you can tell as the shape of it, it goes between the manifold and the supercharger. So yeah, a lot of guys been running these MFP spacers and have seen great results on it, and I'm hoping I can see results on it too. Another good thing to know about these spacers are they're 10 millimeters thick for the spacer between the supercharger and the manifold, and the spacer between the manifold and the heads are 6 millimeters thick. So which means you're going to have to need longer bolts when you bolt down the manifold to the heads and when you bolt down the supercharger to the manifold. So I guess I'm going to have to order some bolts for that. I'm assuming I'm just going to add 10 millimeters longer from whatever bolt that's in the car right now. And it also comes with longer dowels as well, because you're going to need that. The pricing on these are, for this spacer, it's $350, I believe. And for the manifold to the head spacer, I think these are $350. I'll put all that information in the link below where you can order if you're interested in these. If anybody knows anything when running with big horsepower supercharged cars on our platform, heat is a killer. Heat kills everything. So anything that can help with heat, I'm buying. That's all I'm saying. And shout out to my guy Jason over at 1320 Junkie Performance. It was his idea for me to go with these. MFP is another great company as well. They also make a ton of other things for the GT500s. They make crank supports and a few other things for the platform. So can't wait to see the results when I get this on. And this is all I have for this box, man. But I love coming home to packages, man. Again, shout out to Jason for hooking me up with these, man. Getting me these. Like I said, these come from Australia, so he was able to get them for me quick as possible, because I know he knows I'm trying to get the car done. I'm trying to get that Whipple Gen 5 3.0 as soon as possible. So I'm waiting on 2 more parts, and we're there, man. Once I get those 2 parts in, the car going to Chuck over at C&D Auto, and we're getting the ball rolling on this, man. We're getting the ball rolling on this, so I'm happy to do with this. Again, I'm gonna put the link in the link below for these spacers where you can order them. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, support your boy. Thank you for coming to the video, watching these these little clips I like showing of anything I get new for the car. You guys gonna know. Point out, blank. Any part coming for that car, you guys gonna know. That's the whole point of me of doing this channel. And if I can help anyone with any questions or anything with their setup with the GT500, shoot me a comment. I'm always down to talk and help other guys with their platforms. But I'm happy with this product so far. It looks like it's solid product. It's real clean. The gas is thick. It looks really good. The material is good. I'm gonna see if I can give you guys a better look. What you guys think about this? If anybody else have any other information on phenolic spacers, shoot the comments below. Let me know if you know anyone that has tried these, have seen any great results. Let me know. But I know there's a bunch of guys already running them and seeing great results, so I can't wait. But yeah, man, hit that like, subscribe. I'll check you in another video. Peace.